Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, as you can clearly see, this weekend was so boring. We moved sideways exactly as I told you guys for the scenario from Friday that we're going to consolidate with a sideways movement until the market's going to open again on Monday. And right now guys, the situation is very crucial because we are waiting to see when the markets will be open, how SP 500 gonna react as the next move. If we're gonna see guys a reversal, then we're gonna have a confirmation of a crash for the Bitcoin price. But if we're gonna see furthermore pump to the upside for the SP 500 and we're gonna get over $4,100 area, then guys, I'm gonna explain you how I believe that Bitcoin is gonna react on this current situation, which as you can clearly see here, we're forming a bear flag, which technically it's extremely bearish. So if you would like guys to know where we are heading in the short term, in the mid term, and also for the long term, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video guys, and also follow me on Twitter, because there I'm updating you every day and every hour about what's happening inside of the day on the market. So that's why it's really important to follow me guys on Twitter. And before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share with your friends, share in your social media. You're actually helping me so much and appreciate you for this help and support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone, and let's dive straight to the 1 hour time frame to begin our analysis, because guys, as you can clearly see here, we're forming a beautiful formation of a bear flag. And guys, I told you for that scenario that is very possible to play out and move in a consolidation phase rather than to see a continuation of the dump, because guys, I believe that right now Bitcoin is waiting to see how we're gonna react on the SP 500, and the situation, as I told you guys, is very crucial because there is a probability when the market's gonna open to see a reversal to the downside. And guys, if you're gonna see a scenario like that with a reversal on the downside, then the situation of the Bitcoin is gonna actually become as a confirmation of a crash. Because guys, if you're gonna see SP 500 on Monday getting under $4,000, then I highly believe that we're gonna move into technicals on the Bitcoin price. So we're gonna get guys and break this massive support area of this bear flag, which right now is gonna be around the $22,250 area. And if we're gonna actually get it and break it, then we're gonna move straight to the technical price target of this bear flag, which I believe guys, we're gonna experience a free fall if we're gonna break this massive support area. And you're gonna clearly see guys that this technical price target of this bear flag is the area of $20,600. Okay, so I'm gonna put an orange box here, and also I'm gonna show you something that we haven't accomplished yet. And guys, in the 4 hour time frame, as you remember, we had this symmetrical triangle. And guys, this symmetrical triangle didn't accomplish the technical price target yet. So you're gonna clearly see that if the SP 500 do a reversal to the downside, then we're gonna get straight to the technical price target or to this symmetrical triangle for the first touch point, because also this $21,500 is a very strong support, and also is the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle. Okay, so if we're gonna see, as I told you, a reversal to the SP 500, I believe the first touch point for the Bitcoin price is gonna be the $21,500, which we're gonna consolidate on this area for a couple hours. And then if the situation is gonna become even more bad, then we're gonna get straight to the next very strong, which is exactly the $20,400. Okay, and if we're gonna also break this mass support, which is currently guys the strongest one for the Bitcoin price, then we're gonna get straight under $20,000 area, and then the situation is gonna become really terrible. Also, I'm gonna show you a very important support, which the time that we're gonna break it, I'm gonna show it guys. Let me clear a little bit the mess. The time that we're gonna break it, you're gonna see that we breaking this uptrend movement. So all these bullish scenario are gonna be destroyed, because subsequently, if we're gonna break this massive support area, which is a formation of an uptrend movement, then guys, we're gonna start a formation of a downtrend movement, which is gonna lead us back to the worst case scenario, which is, as you know, for me, 12,000 within $60,000, my worst case scenario according to the current fundamentals, which is extremely bearish. The inflation rates are still high. I believe that we're gonna remain very high. Probably gonna see increase on the rates in the next coming months, in the next coming weeks, and also there is a probability of recession. So that's why I'm expecting a lot to see the worst case scenario for the Bitcoin price, the maximum pain, the last capitulation, which if this scenario is gonna play out, we're gonna follow this descending broadening wedge path, which gonna lead us back to this 12,000 within $16,000 area, and then subsequently we're gonna form a reversal. And with that reversal, guys, plus the combination of good fundamentals, some good recovery on the global economy, we're gonna see a reversal, and with that reversal we will break every resistance line that we're gonna have ahead of us. Okay, so to say something overall for the current situation that we are standing on the weekly time frame, guys, the important support here is the $25,000 area, of course, because it was the previous height of the Bitcoin price. But the most important, to actually say with confidence and announce with confidence that right now is the beginning of the bull run, is the resistance of the $30,000 area. The reason of that is that previously, on the previous bull run of 2021, it was the most important support area, which the time that we broke it, after hold us for 2 times, but for the 3rd time that we went back and retested, we actually here announced the beginning of the bear market. So exactly with the opposite way, the time that we're gonna break the previous support, which right now is gonna retest as a resistance, I can tell you with big confidence that right now is the beginning of the bull run. Okay, so keep this very well in your mind, and also here we have to wait to see how we're gonna react on the SP 500 tomorrow, because guys, technically right now we are extremely bearish. As I told you, the MACD in the daily time frame is extremely bearish, and not only in 1 day but in 3 days you can see that right now we're building a crazy bearish territory on the 3-day time frame, which, as you can clearly understand, it's insane bearish signal. Also in the 4-hour time frame, guys, I would like to show you something which is also very bearish, especially the time that we're gonna see this death cross. And it's the exponential moving average of 50 and 200. Look how close, guys, is for the flip. If this flip happen and actually we experience the death cross, then guys, I believe that we're gonna experience a free fall back to the $21,500 area, and subsequently we're gonna drop to the next support area to retest it at $20,400. So you can understand the situation currently is extremely bearish from technical side. And lastly, I would like to speak with you guys for a scenario that tomorrow the SP 500, instead of doing a reversal to the downside, continue the pump to the upside and get over $4,100. What's gonna happen? Guys, if this scenario is gonna play out, I believe that Bitcoin probably is gonna follow to the upside, and we're gonna get back to this $22,800 as the first touch point to retest the previous important support as a resistance. And then, guys, with a new data that we're gonna have tomorrow, in 2 days, 3 days, I'm gonna analyze and I'm gonna tell you exactly again if we're gonna see furthermore pump to the upside, or we're gonna retest the $22,800 and get rejection and get straight to the $21,500. But of course, guys, this is for the short term. But because in the mid long term, guys, I'm expecting a lot to see Bitcoin back to this very, very low price within $12,000 and $60,000 area. Because also I believe the SP 500 and of course the stock market, it's gonna experience massive crash, the last crash. Okay, so we are waiting to see what's going to happen tomorrow for the short term, and also we are waiting to see how bad the scenario is going to be with inflation rates and with the recessions. So This is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop it down below in the comment section. Follow me on Twitter as I told you, and I will see you tomorrow with fresh updates. Until then, guys, your boy